You look so miserable.
Huh?
I'm talking in boots. You look so miserable.
He's still grandma cutting boots in here. Yes, Daddy.
He looks like he's dead.
What?
He looks like he's dead.
He's not.
I know.
He's trying to get through. You have 20 seconds. To take that picture. He's taking a picture of both. He said he looks like he's dead.
Just laying there.
I know, but his eyes are open.
Did you go to the bath?
Huh?
Oh, I was just carrying some. I want to get on the bath.
Oh, you gotta cut them first and then go to the bath?
No. Get all this out.
That's the brush we used to brush them. I can use that on the cats. I'm gonna try to go and brush Mason. Because her back is getting really nasty. No, you're just throwing it back on it. I'm talking in a